The Oculus Quest 2 is sold out and on back order in most territories, which really does display just how popular this headset has been. Oculus have struck gold with the upgraded CPU. So we're going to start taking a look at some accessories for the Quest 2, and today we're starting with some knuckle style controllers from AMVR. So let's get into it. Oculus have done a grand job with the new Quest 2 controllers. I liked the original controllers, but these ones are just beefier, they feel sturdier, they're far more like the original Oculus controllers, and their inside-out tracking is without a doubt the best in the business. But you still have to constantly hang on to the controller, even if you're not holding anything, and this is particularly immersion breaking if you're throwing something like a stone to distract a guard or a grenade. And this is really where Valve Index have a bit of an advantage with their Index controllers, albeit the Index is extraordinarily more expensive than the Quest 2. Well, there is a great and inexpensive accessory from AMVR which allows you to strap the controllers to your hand very much in the same sort of fashion as the Knuckles controllers from Valve. AMVR have been making VR accessories for a while, and we've reviewed loads of these positively on the channel in the past. However, I did buy these particular grips out of my own money, so my opinions are completely unbiased. If they're great, I'll tell you that. If they suck, I'll tell you that too. So, how are they? Well, firstly, they're really easy to assemble. There's a clip that pushes into the bottom, and then there are some stretchy fabric, I'm going to call them harnesses, that push in through a hole in the top of the controller and then just connect in to the clip that you pushed into the bottom of the grip. These are really nice and stretchy. They've got a nice, almost slightly sticky bit of plastic that runs through the middle, and they grip your hand really well. You can pull them nice and snug and tight. There's a little hole in the bottom that allows you to put the string from the bottom of the Quest 2 controllers through the grip. And once you've done this, it's as simple as pushing the grip onto the controller and then using some of the included Velcro to attach it to the ring at the top. And this is great because you can still use the safety string to stop the controller flying away from your hand. You've got the harness gripping around your hand, and I didn't have any problems whatsoever with degraded tracking or anything like that. Now, AMVR did make a previous version of these for the original Quest. I'm really pleased to see that they've updated the colour scheme. They're dead comfortable. I really enjoyed using these both for the original Quest and for the Quest 2. It really does help from an immersion perspective, and it helps from a comfort perspective, you know, not having to hold onto the controllers constantly, being able to let them go and have your hand in a more relaxed position. The price has bounced around a little bit. You can only buy these on Amazon, but if you're getting them for $25, 25 UK pounds or below, then you're paying a good rate for this. Anything above that, I would probably hang on and wait. AMVR have got an entire range of accessories available on Amazon, so it's definitely worth going and checking them out. But all in all, this is a great accessory. It makes the controllers even beefier, which I love, and really does deepen the immersion and help with the comfort. So there we go, guys. The AMVR grip controllers for the Quest 2. As always, I hope you're really well wherever in the world you are. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.